everyone. Today I would like to demonstrate snapLogic tool. Here I'm converting a actual input file into LCF format. The input file is this. So I'm converting this file into LCF format using snapLogic tool. For that I have created a pipeline where we have file reader, Excel parser and two mappers, then file Excel formatter and file writer. So the main part is mapping. Here I have created an expression file. This is a one-time activity where we have to map all the input fields into LCF mapped columns. So once I created that file, I have added that in the pipeline like this as an expression library. So after it will map all the input fields to LCF fields. Then I do sorting and merging. For example, we have multiple languages. All those languages will be merged into a single column using comma separated values. So let me run this now. So it's all green. So it's successful. So we can see the go to the manager and see the output file. LCF output file. Yeah. This is the LCF output file. Here you can see the numerous languages are merged into one single column with comma separated values. Similarly, the other columns are mapped to the LCF headers. And one more interesting thing here is we can map at a time we in a single pipeline we can do mapping for multiple files. We can use file polar and do the same. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.